Guys, I literally teeth are shaking on my head.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the island family. Yeah, guys, so babes inside still, and island asleep. So just come out here for this, sit down and just chill for a while, because I tell you, so much to give thanks for, man. Life is good. Yeah, man. So this is the view, guys, in the morning, Not bad at all. As you guys can see, S Hotel. That's S Hotel over there, guys. We stayed there the last time Babe was here. So yeah, man, it's a pretty nice hotel. Yeah. But I really love this one as well. Probably you guys can hear the traffic right now. But yeah, man. Feel at peace, peaceful, everything just airy. Yeah, man, so that are the vibes, guys, We're gonna have breakfast, little bit for now. Yeah, man, so, and see if we can enjoy the pool or even the jacuzzi before we leave, because checkout is at 12. Yeah, man, right now it's about after 7 in the morning, after 7 now, so yeah, man. But the whole time, guys, even yesterday was overcast. I hardly get any sun as much. On the beach, it wasn't that calm. It was very windy, more cold than anything. So yeah, man, that's what's up though. So I get the morning start soon, so stay tuned.
Got my glasses in the room.
Yeah.
It's bright out there.
So we're gonna have breakfast,
Mm-hmm.
Yes, everybody ready? And I think we're a bit late, but yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, man. So we're gonna see what they have still. Yeah, man. Oh. Good morning, good morning. Wow. It's a nice morning.
It's a nice morning. I'm gonna hold it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hi guys.
You have your answer?
Yes. I do. But phone charge is really slow here in this place. So, I can smell coffee. Did you bring your wallet?
No.
Oh. I think we're the last ones having breakfast, guys. Everyone seems to go early because they want to get out early, but me and Babe, we're not in a haste. We're just whatever, go with the flow.
We're thinking about going to Sunrise place, but that's if we get a message in time.
Yeah, if not, then I'm thinking we're going to Ochi for the night, because we haven't spent anything we've never really spent a night in Ochi. We've driven past there and gone to visit, but never stayed there. It's so bright over there, guys. Babe, you gotta have your mask on. You gotta have it on, I think, in the public area. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Morning. Sure. Good morning. Yeah. Ah. Hey, Bobo. shop's not open yet, guys. So Mama said they can't get her coffee, her cappuccino. This is the lobby, the front lobby, guys. This is what you get. Beautiful art. There we are, guys. Yeah. I'm just going to turn this off. I don't know if we went through here. There's a pool table over there, which we didn't really, and a table tennis here. So we didn't really come out here last night. We went out to the games section. So yeah, guys. All right, I'm going to let yous love yous and leave yous because yeah, we're at breakfast time. Boiled yam, boiled banana, boiled dumpling.
Alright, give me
fruit. Yeah, you choose what you want, babe. I'm just gonna do a video. Steamed calories, pancake, French toast. Muffins,
Hey guys, Mr. Bobo having cheer. Hi. I'm scared for you, boy. How are you? I'm scared for you, Bobo. Right, Isabel. Oh my God, you're a big boy now. Big boy now, huh?
big boy. Yo, yo. Mommy got this for you, Bobo.
Gonna put down his feet?
Yes.
Hi. Hi, big boy. What's that? It's doing all of that. Alright, so this is what we having, guys. So we have some liver here, some steamed callaloo, fried plantain, boiled dumpling and yam, and bacon. And we have having almost similar. Yeah. That's
Similar.
what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't want anything else.
Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy now, isn't it? Yeah, guys. Hey, Bobo.
Yeah, you heard I say coffee.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, she's a coffee drinker. Hey, Bobo. Milk, please. Yeah, thank you. Crap. Do you want one then?
No, I'm good.
Sure. You do.
You only do. Island?
Hey, she's done now.
How are you? You're a cutie pie. Cutie pie.
Ready? Mommy? Oh my God, you're so
Sitting like a big man. Oh, doesn't matter. Just take it off and
Hey, hey.
rain.
That's beautiful. If I picked it up, couldn't stop it. If I picked it up, couldn't stop it.
No one cheap. No one cheap.
No, I saw it.
So guys, we'll get some fruit you know. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah. And cake. May I get the fruit first? The fruit first. Yeah. I'll leave it to you. So. Get some fruits. Everything almost done, guys. Just melon, orange. Yeah. Don't really see much. Can I get a few pieces of the melon and the orange? These are the only fruits? These are the only fruits left? These are the only fruits? Alright, thanks. Okay, guys, that's all they have for now. Huh? These are all they have left. Yeah. Want another bite? Melon. Yeah. Nice. Nice, huh? Yes, sir. Yeah.
That fell off as well.
What? Oh, okay. Yes, Bobo. Nice. Enjoy. Can you hold it? Can manage?
See, they see.
Oh.
Hey, Island, let it go. Island? Island. Island, let it go. Bobo.
Good.
Bobo, jiggle head. Give me this. Give me this. I'm gonna wash it.
Island.
Alright, donkeys mash up now. Donkeys is mash up now.
Oh boy.
Island.
I focus on the melon, you know?
Donkey's looking at you.
Woo, nice.
That's for cheese.
Like it? Alright.
You don't have the push. Can I get some juice?
Try it.
Apple juice?
I tried it? I tried it? Orange.
I'm gonna go get some cake then. You want to try cake?
There you go. Yeah, bring this.
These into?
Yeah, bring the camera.
No, it's already taken it.
Okay. Enjoy. Yeah guys, so breakfast is finished. Finish, you know. Babes. Yes, I enjoy.
I'm good.
You enjoy?
Yes, I did. It was great.
Yeah. No. Shell down some orange and melon and all that.
And
so.
cake.
Yeah. Couldn't manage no more.
No more. Done
Yeah,
for the
so
day.
I have a whole swimming in the pool a little bit far now before we leave. Yeah, so that's the pre guys. That's a nice it's a waterfall up there.
You can't walk up to it. It's like a pool.
Yeah, those rocks look slippery. Oh, you mean like That's what it looks like, guys. Yeah. I thought there would have been some fish in here, but no. Here, guys. Pretty cool. Look at this, guys. It's so comfy. Take a picture. Well, let me put this camera over here.
Ready? Hi, Gucci. Hi. Island. Island. Oi.
Snap your finger in front of the camera.
Pa, 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 pa. Chicky, 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 chicky. Yo, 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 yo. Ooh, yeah. Hiya.
Nice one.
Island. Someone's putting on weight.
Oh,
You.
nice one. I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Nice. So what you do? You make them as high as possible?
Yeah, as high as possible, and if it,
Oh.
like then you start to take them out slowly.
Oh, yeah,
If
yeah.
it locks up,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
And look, chest.
This game, they say, is very complicated.
Definitely.
Can imagine.
Let's go.
It's a mind game.
Walk like maybe just like Jesus Christ. So cool.
Ease off for me. Physical distancing 6 feet. Jesus, we could have come here and play pool.
Ooh, darts.
Yeah, look there. Even Lodi, baby.
Wow.
Have you ever played Lodi?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Darts.
Oh, this one.
Darts, yeah.
Yeah. Mad. Mad.
Nice hotel, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Definitely.
It's like people don't even have time for nothing down here, because I don't see people playing nothing. What's that?
Massages,
Esky.
facials, waxing, body wraps.
We don't
body
get that free.
scrubs.
We don't get that free.
No, you pay.
Because I was gonna like, okay, let's go.
What, after you ate, you're gonna fart everywhere.
Oh. I think I would have
Oh,
laughed
they
the
do
whole time.
kids' rooms here. Look.
Kids' room.
It's locked now.
Nice.
Probably not many kids, but
Yeah.
yeah, day spa. There you go, guys.
Alright, hold the camera. This bubble here is heavy. My mind is gonna broke. Keep one. Hey guys, so we're going to the pool. You know? That I pray.
The eating this is a workout.
Yep.
This is the workout, guys. Wow, guys. So this is a nice view. We stayed there and we swam up there. This is a nice view, babe. Hi, guys. Oh, guys, this is relaxing. You don't know. This is what you call bliss, relaxation. Look at that. Beautiful view. Island, do you want to jump off there and go straight to the ocean?
So windy out there, man. Even the water is dirty. You can tell it's not very clean. Just a rough sea. Right?
Yo, hey baby.
Hey Bobo, Island, Papu, enjoying yourself, boy? Yes, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Yes. Are we gonna go swimming? Yes. Enjoy the nice weather. Yes, excited. Sounds great. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. You like nothing now. Make that stay when I it's alright. Come on, babe. Alright. Ease off for me. Pool time. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, nice, you know. Yo, Michelle. Yeah. Woo. Can imagine this water probably be cold, man. Are you ready, Bobo?
Oh, it's not open yet. The guy put the sign on.
Where? Oh. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh, guys, we're going to go in the cold water.
Take that a GoPro. It's in my pocket. Gonna put that one as time lapse probably.
Okay.
No, that other pocket. Gonna take that one shirt.
Where are you going to put it?
Gonna put that as time
SD is full.
lapse. No, that's what it always says. Look
Oh,
at
okay.
it. The
Alright.
camera is sick.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. 2 GoPros, okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in.
Cold as.
Well, can you imagine? Oh, Jesus Christ. No, sir.
No.
No, babes.
No.
As I the people go, oh, bombard. No, babes. Babes, I say, why does it feel?
Island's laughing at you. Island, look at Dad.
Look at you. Look at you. Oh,
He's like,
God.
stop being a wuss, Daddy.
No, babes, this is really cool, man. Jesus. Babes. No, if you do that, me I do the same thing to you, you know, so I'm gonna throw the water on you. Bombard. No, I'm about.
Oh my gosh, guys, here he is. Big sook with the cold water. Daddy. Got him, guys. Got him. I almost slipped. Yeah. Gucci, 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 Gucci.
You're not coming.
It's cold, guys.
First time she's afraid of the water. Aren't you? Whoa! Alright, here's slippery.
That's where I almost slipped.
Hey, Mr. Bobo.
Can you take him?
The water cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, Bobo. I don't know if you can manage that one. That one is serious, man. Serious. So you ready? Hold the camera. Come here. Bobo. I don't know if you can manage it.
Careful, babe. Hold on to the thing.
If that just went in, I'm still not used to it.
It's cold, huh? It's cold?
Cool. Bobo, did I get you wet? Oh, you feel the cold. You feel You
It's cold, guys.
Bobo, first time in the pool, boy. Have to cool down. Oh, that's feel. That's cool. Oh, it's true. The water is really cold, guys. No joke. Bobo just get a dip anyway. I'm not even afraid of the water that much. This boy not even cry. Like not care how cold the water is, he doesn't even cry, he just tremble. That's it. Ooh. You love it. You're a water baby. Woo! Mamacita! Mamacita is a big swimmer. Cool enough? Oh yeah.
Hi, guys.
Guys, you're going to teach me.
Huh?
You're going to teach me how to swim.
Whatever, you know how to swim. Stop.
You're a big swimmer.
I'm not.
Here you are. Woo. Guys, it's pretty nice. We're the only ones here.
When I was little, I used to be a good swimmer. Yeah, I used to win all my races at school.
Nice.
School carnivals.
Nice. It is so beautiful.
It's nice after you get in.
Nice after you get in. I can't get used to this, man.
Yeah, get used to it.
Babe, stop.
Get used
Babe,
to
stop.
it.
The water cool now.
Get used
Babe, stop.
Get used to it.
The water is cold. Baby,
Get used to it.
Bobo feel the cold.
Oh, hi, Bobo.
Hey, Bobo. What's up? Yeah? You're so excited, man. Why are you not scared of the water? Huh? Some baby will be crying. Huh? Why do you love the water so much? Huh? You're even braver than me. I'm scared of the water. Huh? Oh my god. Ooh, you're the better version of me.
Look at you! Look at you, mommy!
Oh my god.
Kicking, Bobo. Kicking, Bobo. Loves the water.
Beautiful boy.
I want to take him swimming lessons when I get back to Australia. I think swimming would be really good for him. Happy. You see how he laughed? He was like, oh, kissy moment.
Yeah.
Kissy moment. Kissy moment.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Babe, here's a seat. Babe, come sit here. Oh my god, if only the water was warm, could I just chill here, but it's so cold.
He loves it.
Oh, why do I feel dizzy sitting here?
Huh?
Is it me or does sitting here make you feel dizzy?
Yeah.
Like the water is pushing me a certain way, like. Do you feel like the force of the water?
Good Baba, go Kiki Baba. Yes, Gucci Gucci, Achu Gucci Gi, Akia, Ayuya, Ayuya, Mama. Let's go swimming training.
Guys, I literally guitar shaking in my head.
So what are you up to? What are you doing? My hair looks horrible. Hold the phone for a minute.
So guys, you guys are on the live right now. Yo,
He's such a silk for the water. Just go swim around. You'll be okay.
Don't do something right now.
Yeah, guys. So we're in Montego Bay right now. We're in Montego Bay. For all those
Do you want to eat them, guys?
honeymoon,
Literally.
Oh, babe, where you touch me? It's cold, you know, man. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. No, man, the coldness is a lick, man.
Go swim. Here, go swim and you'll be right. Go. I'll go on. Jump. Jump in. Go.
We have got to get going soon, too, right now.
Going down to Ochi.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So big up everybody still.
Big up everybody.
Give thanks for your support all the time, isn't it?
All the time.
Yeah.
Ouch.
So, catch you on the next live. Alright.
Catch you on the next.
Blessings.
Blessings.
We're done swimming for now. Yeah, man, the water chilly and look when the sun just had choose to come out. Man. Look at peace. Come out right there, so. Jesus. So, yeah, guys. So I get ready now after 11. So, get ready to leave on to the next location. So,
Ocho Rios.
Ocho Rios. Yeah, man. So, stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, blessings.